gifted this soap dispenser from the company to provide an honest review, and honestly I really like it, and I think this is going to be a great benefit for my kids' bathroom. I hate when we have a ton of bottles all around the shower and they get knocked over, and I think this is a great organizing option for your shower. Having this little pumper would be very nice and organized, and also I think it looks awesome. So I'm thinking of having it right here. I have tall kids, so I don't want to put it too low, and I also don't want to put it directly next to the shower where the water's splashing. So I think this is going to be perfect. And you have two options with this. You can either drill it into the wall, or you can put it on with this sticky self-adhesive option. They provide you the instructions with the sticky adhesive or drilling it into the wall. Whichever one works for you is what you would recommend. Cleaning the surface with alcohol prior to installing it so that your area is clean. To wipe off all the dust, soap residue, things like that. They come like this in the box, protective film that you're just gonna peel off. You're just gonna pop them up and out like this. That way you just have this. After wiping it with alcohol, kind of see it out where you want it. I can level it with the lines on my faux shower. I think this is going to be perfect. So we're peeling off the back film, and that's where the sticky part is. I'm not going to unpeel it all right away. That way I can get rid of the bubbles and kind of peel it from the back as I go. So we're gonna take the plate, and it tells you where this is up, showing you that it's up. It's gonna go this way, and we're gonna screw into these holes right there. Very easy and simple to do, which I'm kind of impressed because I didn't think it would be this easy to install. So we're tightening them all out in. They provide you with this cute little screwdriver. So we're gonna unpeel, take the protective film off. You can leave it on if you want to make it white, but I think it looks nice, the stainless look. This kind of reminds me of a hotel or Airbnb that we stayed at. It had the same thing. When I saw it, I was like, this is so impressive and so convenient. And I love the organization. Pop in and then slide down so they stay locked like that. I also did want to mention that they give you a key that you can lock. If you have this in a place where you don't want anybody fidgeting with it or emptying it or putting anything in, basically just to secure it, you just turn it with the key that's given. They provide you with these labels for your containers. I've seen people put it on this clear, but I think I want to put it on the stainless. But this is what you do. You're gonna press, hold with your thumb, and then you're gonna press into your, and it gives a perfect amount. If you want more than that, that's it. So awesome and so worth it. Whether you use it in the bathroom
kitchen, or even in a rental or hotel setup, it adds that modern spa-like touch. If you're tired of messy bottles everywhere and want a sleek, functional upgrade, this 3-in-1 dispenser is definitely worth grabbing.